Eating with friends.
In this video, we are going to see two different situations. First, we will watch a story and listen to the conversations. After that, we will retell the story from the point of view of one character. Let's begin with the first situation.
Situation 1. Alice invites Emily to go out and have dinner with her at a famous restaurant in LA. They talk about the restaurant and the food. Hi, Emily. I'm going out to have dinner. Do you want to go with me? Hi, Alice. Sure, that sounds fun. Where are you taking me? This is one of my favorite restaurants in town. I come here like once a week.
Welcome to our restaurant. My name's Andy, and I'll be your waiter today. Table for two?
Yes, a table for two.
Will this table be all right?
Is the table by the window reserved?
No, you can have it.
Great, we can enjoy the city while we eating.
Okay, here's the menu. I'll be right back.
The spaghetti looks really good. It is. I had it the last time I was here. How is the pizza, Alice? It's good, but I think the pasta is better. What would you recommend? I'd recommend the lasagna. It's excellent. That sounds great. I'll have that.
Okay, would you like an appetizer?
No, lasagna is more than enough for me. I think I will have the lasagna as well.
Right, that's 2 lasagnas. Would you care for an appetizer?
Yes, I'll take the mashed potato.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have water. I'll take a glass of red wine.
Thank you. I'll get the drinks and the appetizers.
Thank you. So, what do you think of this place? I like it. It's modern and fancy. The menu is varied and abundant. I will come back again. I know. The food is amazing too.
Here's your food. Enjoy.
Thank you. So, is the lasagna as good as they said? Definitely. This tastes just like the lasagna I tried when I was in Italy. I know, the chef is so talented. So, how often do you go to eat out? I don't like cooking and I live alone, so I go out to eat almost every day. Really? Honestly, I don't eat out much. I live with my parents and my mom likes cooking, so she makes me eat at home.
What is your favorite type of restaurant to go to?
Since I don't go out much, I prefer restaurants from different cultures like Chinese or Korean.
I prefer simple dining so I can have a light meal for lunch or a takeout for dinner.
What is the most important thing when choosing somewhere to eat out?
I think of a varied menu can impress me easily. How about you?
I think so too. And the price, it has to be reasonable.
I agree. So, ladies, would you like something for dessert?
Yes, I'll have the strawberry cream cake, please.
Wonderful choice. How about you?
The apple pie sounds delicious.
Oh, yes. That dessert is one of the restaurant's signature dishes.
Okay, I will have that, thank you.
Here is your dessert. May I offer you a fruit salad? It's on the house for the lovely ladies.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Enjoy.
Wow, the service here is amazing. The waiter is very polite.
I know. I guess this is going to become one of your favorite places, right?
Indeed. Could we have the check, please?
Yes, here it is.
This meal is on me. Thank you for introducing me to such a great place. $33.55. Here you are. Thanks, Alice. But next time it is my turn.
Thank you. See you later.
Goodbye.
Now, let's retell the story from Emily's point of view. Hi, I am Emily, and I'd like to share a wonderful dinner experience I had with my friend Alice. We decided to go out to one of her favorite restaurants in town. When we arrived, we were greeted by Andy, our waiter, who was very polite. He showed us to a table, the window, which had a beautiful city view. Alice recommended trying the lasagna, and since Andy also suggested it, I decided to go for it. Alice ordered lasagna as well, along with a glass of red wine, while I stuck with water. We enjoyed our meal while chatting about how much we liked the restaurant. It was modern and had a variety of dishes, which made it really appealing. The lasagna was delicious, just like the kind I had tried in Italy. It was so good that it made the evening even more special. Alice and I talked about how often we eat out, and although our habits were different, we both appreciated a good meal at a great restaurant. For dessert, I had an apple pie, which was one of the restaurant's specialties. Andy, the waiter, offered us a fruit salad on the house, which was a lovely gesture. I was really impressed by the service and the food. At the end of the meal, Alice insisted on paying, which was very kind of her. We thanked Andy and left the restaurant, promising each other that we would come back soon. It was an evening to remember, and I'm already looking forward to our next dining adventure.
Situation 2. Jackson visits the U.S. for the first time, and his friend Luke invites him over to have dinner at his house.
Hi, Jackson. Come in. It's so nice to finally meet you. Hello, Luke. Thank you for inviting me to your house. I can't wait to try American-style dinner. Everything is ready. Shall we sit down? This looks good. Do you cook all the food? Yes, I learned how to cook from my mom. How often do you cook at home? I thought the Americans liked eating out. During the week, it's more common to eat dinner at home. On the weekend or special occasions like birthdays or holidays, people like to go out for dinner. What do you usually eat for dinner? People eat all sorts of different things for dinner in the U.S. We usually have the main course and some side dishes for dinner. So, what do we have today? I made a little bit of everything so you can try all the different dishes. For the main course, we have fried chicken, steak, pork chops, pasta, and tacos. Oh, wow. These are American typical dinner? Pasta may be from Italy and tacos from Mexico. These are both very popular choices in the US as well. I probably eat pasta for dinner at least once a week. Wow, this fried chicken is spicy and crunchy. I like it. It's called Texas fried chicken. Try the steak, it's my mom's secret recipe. Oh wow, American steak is the best. And I made these side dishes, baked potato, mac and cheese, and grilled vegetables. Oh, the famous mac and cheese. I saw it in so many movies and I've always wanted to try it. Have a little more. This meal has protein, starch, and vegetables. This is what you call a balanced meal. I know. You hardly had anything. Please have some more pasta. Thanks. Pass me the salt, please. Here you are. Would you like a drink? Can I have a beer, please? Sure. Do all the Americans use every cooking method in one meal like you do? Yes. Baking, grilling, frying, steaming, and boiling. Most American kitchens have an oven and a stovetop, and many people even have a grill in the backyard. That's great. In my country, not many of us have an oven or a grill. I make brownies for dessert. It's one of the most common desserts in the US. All these dishes are amazing. Thank you so much for this meal. I'm glad you liked it.
Now, let's retell the story from Jackson's point of view. I'm Jackson, and I want to share about the first time I visited the US and had dinner at my friend Luke's house. When I arrived, Luke welcomed me warmly. I was excited because it was my first time trying an American-style dinner. Luke had prepared everything before I arrived. He told me he learned cooking from his mom, which I found impressive. I was curious about American eating habits, so I asked him how often people in the US cook at home. Luke explained that during the week, most Americans eat at home, but they go out for dinners on weekends or special occasions. For dinner, Luke served a variety of dishes. There was fried chicken, steak, pork chops, pasta, and tacos. I was surprised to see such a mix and learned that while pasta and tacos might be from Italy and Mexico, they are very popular in the US. Luke mentioned he often eats pasta once a week. I tried the Texas fried chicken first. It was spicy and crunchy, and I really liked it. Luke then suggested I try the steak, which was cooked using his mom's secret recipe. It was delicious, and I thought it was the best steak I had ever had. Besides the main courses, there were also side dishes like baked potato, mac and cheese, and grilled vegetables. I was especially excited to try mac and cheese since I had seen it in many movies. Throughout the meal, we discussed how Americans use different cooking methods. Luke mentioned that most American kitchens are equipped with an oven, a stovetop, and often a grill in the backyard. I found this interesting because back in my country, not many people have ovens or grills. For dessert, Luke made brownies, which he said were a common dessert in the US. Everything I tasted was amazing, and I was so grateful for the meal. It was a fantastic introduction to American cuisine, and I was glad I had the opportunity to experience it with a friend like Luke.